Hello guys, welcome back to another exciting video. Today, we are going to see the best 5 apps you must try in November 2025. Wait, an important announcement for you guys at the end of the video, so watch till the end. Let's go! Here is our first app called Notion. Notion is a productivity app where you can write, plan, and organize your notes, projects, tasks, and more, all in one place. Ask Notion AI about project updates, upcoming tasks, and suggestions for a more streamlined workflow. Simplify writing notes, project and task management, and collaboration. Whether for personal, student, or professional use, Notion scales to meet your individual needs with powerful customization tools for everyone. The second app is Photo 2 Calendar. Photo 2 Calendar is a powerful tool to add events into your calendar. Just take a photo or choose one, and the app's AI will automatically analyze it and select events from it. It's like Tinder. Just swipe to accept or decline events. Cool, right? Third app is called Ira. Ira is the most humanized AI chatbot out there. It replies like a normal human, reacts like one, and even goes offline if you don't reply for a while. It takes time to come back online. While talking with Ira, you'll never feel like you're talking to an AI. You can share images, discuss topics, and explore a lot of customization settings as well. Our fourth app is Arattai. Arattai is an amazing alternate to WhatsApp with a cool and responsive UI. But it's one step ahead of WhatsApp. We can schedule meetings, join or create channels, and even find people using their usernames. With lots of customization options, I highly suggest giving this app a try. You know, when I click on my notch once, it takes a screenshot. And when I click twice, it opens the calculator. Sounds crazy, right? It's possible through our fifth app, Action Notch. This app gives you the power to set actions or perform tasks when you click on your phone's notch. Just give accessibility permission, set the actions, and enjoy. If it doesn't work properly, you can even adjust the notch's position and size. Here's the end of the video. This was my first attempt at creating this type of content, so I really appreciate your support and understanding as I continue to improve. Thanks for watching.